cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo. Stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all this jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top.
Hi guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today for our Friday feast mukbang number 6 we are doing soul food. So if y'all would like to join us for lunch today, then please keep on watching. Yeah guys, we got some macaroni and cheese, some turnip greens, hamburger steaks, rice and gravy. You wanna eat with us? Pull up. So yeah guys, we're gonna offer this food to the Supreme Most High Infinite Creator and Source, Amen Ra. All right, guys, dig in, cause I'm hungry. She hungry. We hungry. So how y'all doing today? I hope all is well. We doing okay. This weather just crazy. One day it's cold, next day it's hot. One day it's cold, next day it's hot. It's like, you know.
Be ready.
So I got me some sriracha for my greens. And don't mind the baby. He in the background having his own mukbang. And we ain't put no baby on the screen because we ain't finna violate no copy law. This ain't for no baby, TV, and none of that. So don't even worry about it. We ain't trying to attract no kids. None of that. Let me try this hamburger steak. Once again, this is mushrooms. I'm working on my consistency. As you can see, it's pretty thick. Once I get this recipe down, then I share the recipe with y'all for the free. I'm trying to get the flavor and everything together. I'll be so thirsty, y'all. Ooh. That was almost a loss.
That's for real.
Right, pull up. I was just gonna ask you what you think. I need bell peppers and onions in here. I love rice, and I definitely love rice and gravy. Macaroni and cheese, my favorite. I like the macaroni and cheese casserole. That's my most favorite, with the like 8 cheeses in it. But y'all, we do appreciate y'all joining us today. This is some good eating. This is that old Mississippi eating right here. I'm glad I got this griddle because it definitely keeps your food warm. I ain't bake no cornbread because I already know why. My stove. So I could have did some hot water cornbread, but I was like, man. This will be enough. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat all this. But I've been wanting some good soul food for a minute. Got my pickles right here.
Me have plain pickle too.
I'm thirsty, y'all. I already know. And we drinking some strawberry lemonade.
Right.
Y'all, we ain't talking that much right now, but that's cause we eating. But I'll be right back. It's good, y'all. I'm full now. Let me get my macaroni. 'Cause I ain't leaving that. Ooh, I'm stuffed. So, on that note, we want to thank you guys for joining us today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these business like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady D won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care. You clowns ain't about to worry me, cause does this for myself, and I'm rapping